Hello friends, now today we are going to see the next topic from unit number 5, that is sphere passing through circle. Okay, so first of all we'll see what is the section of a sphere when we cut the sphere by a plane. Okay, so section of a sphere by a plane gives you a circle. So whenever you cut the sphere by a plane, the intersection of a sphere and a plane that you are going to get is always a circle. Fine. Now also remember that whenever two spheres intersect each other, the intersection of two spheres are also circles. So if you have, suppose S is equal to 0 is the equation of a sphere and U is equal to 0 is the equation of a plane, then it together when you write S equal to 0 comma U equal to 0, it always represents a circle. Similarly, S1 is equal to 0 comma S2 is equal to 0, these are the equation of two spheres, then that also when you write down together also represent a circle. Okay, now if we have S is equal to 0 is the equation of a sphere, U equal to 0 is the equation of a plane, represent two equation of sphere and plane, then S plus lambda U is the represent equation of sphere passing through a circle which is formed because of sphere and a plane. Okay, so remember that. So equation of sphere passing through circle is denoted by S plus lambda U is equal to 0, where that circle is nothing but what? It is made from a sphere and a plane intersection. Okay, and through that circle we are going to find out a sphere. Okay, and equation of that sphere is given by S plus lambda U is equal to 0. Okay, and how many such spheres you can draw? You can draw infinitely many such spheres which are passing through a circle. Similarly, if you have two spheres, again we know that the intersection of two spheres is a circle. Now if you want to find out the equation of a sphere passing through that circle, then the equation of that sphere is S1 plus lambda S2 is equal to 0. Again, how many such spheres you can draw? There are infinitely many spheres you can draw. Okay, so let us start with some examples on sphere passing through circle. So if you have the sphere and a plane equation as x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 9 is the equation of a sphere. This is a standard sphere whose center is 0 0 0 and whose radius is 3, and we are having the equation of a plane as 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 5, and one more thing is given, that the sphere which is formed because of this two is also passing through the point 1 2 3. So first of all, try to understand the problem. What we are having one sphere, and we are having one plane. Now the intersection of this sphere and this plane is nothing but a circle. Now what I want to find out, we want to find out the equation of a sphere which is passing through this circle, and that sphere is also passing through this point 1 2 3. Okay, so if you look at the diagram, so this is the sphere x square plus y square plus z square equal to 9. This is a plane, and because of this two we are getting a circle, and I want to find out now a new sphere which is passing through this circle, something like this. Okay, and that sphere also passing through the point 1 2 3. So as we know, equation of such spheres are given by S plus lambda U is equal to 0. So S is nothing but what? The equation of the sphere, but remember that when you write down the equation of a sphere, it should be S equal to 0. So if you have something on the right hand side, take it on the left hand side, and then you write down the equation of S. So it is x square plus y square plus z square minus 9 plus lambda times U is nothing but what? 2x plus 3y plus 4z minus 5 equal to 0. Now this is the equation of a new sphere which is passing through the circle. Okay, now it is also given that this sphere also passes through the point 1 2 3. That means this 1 2 3 will satisfy this equation. So replace x by 1, y by 2 and z by 3. So when you replace that thing, you are going to get the value of lambda as minus 1 upon 3. That's it. So what is your aim in a equation of in the problems of sphere passing through circle? You are supposed to find out the value of lambda. That's it. So now we are having the value of lambda. Put this lambda value over here in this equation, and when you put it over there, you are going to get a equation of a sphere. 3 times x square plus y square plus z square minus 2x minus 3y minus 4z minus 22 is equal to 0. Okay, So always remember, most of the times this S will be given to you, U will be given to you, and some condition will be given to you. With the help of that condition, you are supposed to find out the value of lambda. Okay, now start with the second problem. Find the equation of a sphere which passing through 3, 1, 2 and meets XOY plane in a circle of radius 3 units with the center at 1, -2, 0. So we want to find out the equation of a sphere which is passing through the point 3, 1, 2 meets the XOY plane. That means it's intersecting of this sphere with this plane is the circle of radius 3, and the center of the circle is also given. It is 1, -2, 0. Okay, so let us see how to do this. Now equation of the plane is given as XOY plane, but XOY plane is nothing but what? Where the equation of XOY plane is Z is equal to 0, because in XOY plane Z is always 0. So the equation of the plane is U is equal to 0. Now equation of the sphere with center 1 to 1 -2, 0 and radius as 3 will be given as this center radius form, and solving this you are going to get your S as this. This is the required sphere is the sphere that you want to find out is S plus lambda U is equal to 0, and which is passing through the point 3, 1, 2. So again the same kind of thing, when you put the value of S and U as Z equal to 0, when you put it and when you put that is passing through 3, 1, 2, you are going to get the value of lambda as -4. Now again you put lambda is equal to -4 over here, you will get the equation of the sphere. Now this is an important kind of problem. Most of the time this kind of problem will be there in the exam. Find the equation of the sphere which touches the plane 3x plus 2y minus z plus 2 equal to 0. Now one more thing you have to keep in your mind when you are talking about equation of a sphere. Okay, here when the equation of sphere and a plane is given to you, that means what? We are finding out the equation of sphere passing through circle. Keep this thing in mind. So what is given to you? Find the equation of the sphere which touches this plane at the point 1, -2, 1, and also cut the sphere x square plus y square plus z square minus 4x plus 6y plus 4z orthogonally. Now orthogonally means what? Whenever two spheres intersecting each other orthogonally, the meaning of orthogonally is the angle between their tangent plane is 90, or we can say the angle between the